Good evening dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Pandey Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you your chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. So let us discuss about term. First of all, let us discuss about term equation. Equation. So let us know about equation. Equation is the mathematical statement which assert equality between two expressions. So let us write a mathematical statement. A mathematical statement which assert equality between two expressions. Assert equality between two expressions. So here we have to discuss about term expression. Here we will take term algebraic expression. Let us know what is algebraic expression. Means combination of constant and variable with few or four fundamental operation is called algebraic expression. Fundamental operation, I hope that you are aware with fundamental operation. Fundamental means operation is plus, minus, multiplication and division. These are fundamental operation in mathematics. So combination of constant and variable. Constant term you are also aware with the term of constant and variable. In the previous chapter polynomial you have read about this term. So let us verify the definition equation. So first of all I am going to write x plus 2 is equal to y plus 3. Here it is first expression and here it is second expression. There is equality between two expressions. So this will be called as equation. If you will transpose y in this side, then here it will be x minus y, because having transpose symbol of y will be changed. If it is plus, then it will be minus. If it is minus, then it will be plus. If 2 will be transposed in this side, then it will be minus 2 plus 3, implies that we can mention here x minus y is equal to 1. This is a equation. I hope equation is clear. Second term we have to discuss in this topic linear equation. Linear equation. Let us discuss second term linear equation. In polynomial, perhaps you have read about term linear. Linear means any term will be linear if the variable in any expression will contain power 1, then it will be considered as linear. So now we have to read here linear equation. So we can write an equation in which variable contain power 1 is called linear equation. My mean to say, in the algebraic expression, power of variable should be 1. Power of variable should be 1. If the power of variable is 1, then it will be considered as linear equation. So let us write an expression ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Here the power of variable, is 1, so it will be considered as linear equation. Now here a and b are real number. A comma b are real number. A and b are real number. Dear student, please mention here the value of a should not be 0 at any condition. Why the value of a should not be 0 at any condition? If please mention this. Let us see, if the value of a is equal to 0, then if we will put up the value of a is equal to 0 multiply x plus b is equal to 0. Now this will be 0 plus b is equal to 0. Now this is not linear equation. It has been converted into constant. Because b is real number. Here it is not any unknown variable. Here it is not any unknown variable. So the coefficient of the variable in the expression, in algebraic expression, should not be 0 at any condition. You can see as I have taken a equal to 0, then we are getting the term of x. Is equal to 0. Term of x is 0. Here it is plus b is equal to 0. You can see here it is not any variable. And variable is not containing any power 1. So it will be converted into constant. Here it will not be linear equation. So the power of variable should not be 0. Okay, please mention this. Your next term is linear equation in two variables. Previously we have read about linear equation. Now we have to read, your equation was linear equation in two variables. Now you have to read linear equation in two variables. This will be also linear equation, but here it will be two unknown variables like x and y. So it will be called linear equation in two variables. If an algebraic expression having two variable with degree 1 is called linear equation in two variable. Now here it will be two unknown variable like x and y. I am going to write an expression ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You can see here here it is two variable like x and y, and the power of variable, power of x is also 1 and power of y is also 1. Power of x is also 1 and power of y is also 1. here it is linear equation in two variable. Variable is x and y. A comma b comma c are real number. A b c are real number. At any condition, here value of a and b should not be zero. Should not be zero. Value of a and b should not be zero at any condition. You can check if the value of a is zero, then this term will be zero. This term will be zero. Means 0 multiply x is equal to 0 plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now if a will be 0, then you will get by plus c is equal to 0. You will get a linear equation in one variable. So this will not be linear equation in two variable. If the b is 0, if the value of b is 0, then you will get this term will be 0. This term will be 0 and you will get ax plus c. Ax plus c is equal to 0. So your equation will be converted linear equation in one variable, and we are discussing about linear equation in two variable. So at any condition, coefficient of variable should not be 0. Please mention this. Now we have to discuss about term pair of linear equation. The first equation we will mention, pair means two. Here it will be in this chapter you will get two equations. You will get two linear equations and you have to find out the value of a known variable like x and y. So let us write here. First equation will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second one equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. You can see here in the first equation coefficient of x is a1 and the second equation coefficient of x is a2. Here the coefficient are difference. So for their notation I have mentioned here like a1, like b1, like c1 in first equation, and in second equation I have mentioned here a2, b2 and c2. a2 and b2 and c. In this chapter you will get pair of two linear equation, and there you have to find out the value of x and y. There x and y. Okay, please mention this. Method to solve pair of linear equation in two variables. Basically there is two methods. First method is algebraic method, and second one method is graphical method. So let us write. First method will be graphical method. And second one method is algebraic method. Okay, so first of all we should discuss about graphical method. In graphical method, without solving the problem, let us check the given equation has unique solution or infinitely many solution or no solution on the basis of coefficient. So let us discuss. Please mention this method to solve pair of linear equation in two variables. First method is graphical and second one is algebraic. Please mention this. method. Graphical method. We will later discuss how to represent, how to draw line for the given equation on graph paper, and on the basis of and dear student, in graphical method we have to discuss about unique solution, infinitely many solution, and no solution. No solution. Briefly we will discuss about this. Briefly we will discuss in our next video. If let us shortly know, if there will be condition a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then we will say that the given equation has unique solution. If there will be condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, so then we will say given equation has infinitely many solution. If there will be a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then we will say that given equation has no solution. Means a1 and a2, it is the coefficient of first equation, it is the coefficient of x in first equation, and it is coefficient of x in second equation, while b1 is coefficient of y in first equation and b2 is coefficient of y in second equation. Same will be at here. A1 is coefficient of x in first equation and a2 is coefficient of x in second equation. Same b1 is coefficient of y in first equation and b2 in second equation. c1 and c2 are constant. Same here will be also. So briefly we will discuss about in our next video. Okay.